welcome to Makers.so. And what is Makers? Makers, it's a Figma plugin that helps you build and publish your sites directly in Figma. And how to get started. This is really easy to get started. You just need to install the plugin and hit install. It will show install for you and you are good to go. So I have an empty Figma file here and I will search. I did Command P for the Makers plugin. If I open Makers, I'm already logged in. So you will see here just welcome, no name. And the first thing that you are asked to do is add a new page. One thing that I like to do is just to edit the page title right away. My first Figma design. Just save it real quick, and then the magic starts here. When you select the page, it's important that you select the page. You have a bunch of components that you can add, and if you noticed, the components they have a number of variants, and the variants you can change them by selecting the component, and right here you can change to left or to center or to right as a default. That's the center. Let's add a main section, and you can do the same. You have a bunch of options here. I like this one, and a footer, just to show you how easy it is to get started with Makers. So we have a very basic page that we want to publish as a site. If I hit preview, boom, it will open a new browser tab with my design. And notice one detail. It has hover effects, and you can edit these hover effects right on Figma. And another cool detail is that it's responsive out of the box. So this is basically Makers. It's a plugin to go from Figma to site with one click. And it's free to use for Makers domain. So this is a free site that you can share with whoever. And if you want to add it to a custom domain, it's a paid service, but you don't have to worry about servers. We handle everything, and it's $12 per month per site. And here are a few examples of what you can build with Makers, which basically is amazing websites right inside Figma. Alright guys, any questions, just let me know. I'll be here and happy to answer all your questions. Thank you guys.